When your system throws a timeout, your instinct says, the request failed. That instinct is wrong. A timeout does not mean failure, it means you don't know what happened. In this video, we will understand how under the hood timeouts works. Here's the mental shortcut almost everyone takes. Request times out, so the operation must have failed. That assumption feels logical, but it's based on how local programs behave. In distributed systems, nothing is local, and that shortcut quietly introduces bugs that only show up at scale. In reality, a timeout says only one thing. You waited for a response, and you didn't receive one in time. It says nothing about what the server did, nothing about whether the request was processed, and nothing about whether the result already exists somewhere in the system. Let's slow this down and look at what actually happens. The client sends a request to the server. The server starts processing it, maybe running business logic, maybe writing to a database. Meanwhile, the client is waiting, and eventually the client gives up and times out. But here's the critical part. The server does not stop just because the client stopped waiting. The operation may still complete successfully, long after the timeout occurs. Once a timeout happens, you enter what's called an ambiguity zone. The operation might have failed. It might have succeeded. Both are valid possibilities. And the most important part is this. From the client's perspective, there is no way to know which one is true. This ambiguity is why retries are dangerous by default. If you retry an operation that already succeeded, you don't get reliability, you get duplication. Double payments, double orders, corrupted state. Timeouts don't cause these bugs. Incorrect assumptions about timeouts do these myths to be busted. So here's the correct mental model to remember. A timeout is not a signal of failure. It's a signal that you lost information about the outcome. You don't know what happened. And designing systems that accept this fact is what separates fragile systems from reliable ones. Distributed systems don't fail loudly. They fail ambiguously. If you design as if timeouts mean failure, your system will lie to you under load. Design for uncertainty, not success. Because timeouts don't tell the truth. They tell you that you don't have it. Make sure to subscribe. Broken by Design, and peace out.